Okay ka lang dyan, Sir Chairman. Medyo nagugulat po ata kayo. A'udzubillahi minasyaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wassalatu wassalamu ala sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in wa ba'd. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before anything else, allow me to extend my due courtesies, firstly, to my fellow public servants from the national level, regional level, provincial level, down to municipal level, and the barangay officials, headed by no less than our provincial Vice Governor Muhammad Khalid Mujam Raki Nadyong, to our partners from the AFP and the PNP. Nandito ang ating Regional Director, Brother Sir, and our Provincial Director. Nandito rin ang Commanding Officer ng 11th First Brigade ng AFP. Sa lahat ng ating traditional and religious leaders, nandito ang Sulutan sa Butik at ang Sulutan sa Bayabaw. Sa lahat ng members of the Academy, agukalang-ulangan nyo, mga bangsami sa pumapungaran na wadang mga Dorayon, ay malalas mga bangsami sa Municipality of Butik, and of course, to our honoree today, the Chairman of the Commission on Elections, Honorable George Erwin Moica Garcia. Muli, magandang araw sa ating lahat. It is with great pride and deep gratitude that I welcome you all today to this momentous occasion, the enthronement of Honorable George Erwin Moica Garcia as the Tuarumapunan, or Leader of Peace sa Mindanao. Today, we do not only recognize a leader, we honor a visionary, a man whose dedication to electoral integrity has brought hope to a region long burdened by shadows of political violence and instability. Mr. Chairman, under your leadership, the 2025 local elections have marked a defining moment for the province of Lanao del Sur. For the first time in our history, not a single municipality in our province has been declared under failure of elections. For the first time, we witnessed a clean, credible, and peaceful democratic process, unmarred by intimidation, manipulation, or fear. And as Mayor of the Municipality of Butik, allow me to highlight with immense pride that in our town, once considered a hotspot of conflict, the 2025 elections were conducted without a single incident of violence. Zero. Not one bullet fired, not one life lost, only ballots cast and voices heard. This is not just a milestone for the Commission on Elections. This is a historic victory for the Maranao people and more broadly for democracy in Mindanao. The title that Tuarumapunan bestowed today upon Chairman Garcia is not really ceremonial. It is a seal of trust, a declaration of kinship, and a pledge that we, the leaders and the people of Mindanao, recognize and honor your efforts to protect the sanctity of our vote, our voices, and our future. And as we look ahead to the BAR parliamentary elections and the possible barangay elections in December, we can only hope, and we must all work together, that we are able to sustain this peace and build on this legacy of orderly and meaningful elections. To our traditional leaders, dignitaries, partners, and guests present here today, may this ceremony remind us that true leadership transcends position. It lives in actions that uplift the people, in decisions that safeguard the peace, and in legacies that inspire generations to come. Congratulations once again, Chairman Sir. We welcome you not just as an honored guest, but as family. As the Tuarumapunan, may your name forever be remembered in the narrative of a peaceful and empowered Mindanao. Sangisbu salamat. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.